Sir, we have
Halor ka jingkeli balabu da u VPP MLA ka Mawryngkneng uba having sun karpran ya ka jingpen kiu kerdan ya ka Mawryngkneng PHC sya ka CHC ka minister badai pej ka NPP MLA na East Shillong ka kong Ampareen Halor kelapan syai pat namar barang don ki jing duna ha ka CHC bar ka jing bam hun ni ka jubab jung ka minister u VVP MLA ka nong krem uba Ardent u ong baka minister ka Ialam Bakla ka ying dorbar halor ka jubab jung ka Kamtam babun kitiar hospital Kimpat Biang badru ki doktor Kimpat Don.
Full-fledged CSC. And in her supplementary reply, it seems that the government is trying to mislead the House, sir, because in this reply, she said that CSC is functioning as a full-fledged CSC. But when we ask about the doctors who are supposed to be there as specialists, we ask about the equipments, it seems that they are not in place. So, is this not misleading the House, sir?
No, your question, please.
Yeah, that is my question, sir. Is this not misleading the House?
Sir, the
When the reply is clearly mentioned full-fledged, it's been working as a full-fledged. But when we ask about the minimum norms that are required to be there, the minister seems to be not able to reply. So, may I know whether this is not misleading the House, sir?
So it's a matter of perception, sir.
It is
I
not.
have said that the health center, CHC at Mawryngkneng is functioning, which is what the question was. When asked about whether or not certain equipments were not there, or are they there, or are they functioning, I have said that some of the equipment need to be upgraded, and we are working on that. Number 3, the Mawryngkneng CHC Center, sir, is a non-FRU, which means it is a first referral unit. So we have also said that we have other specialists who are there, not all specialists, because very recently there was a need to improve the numbers of specialists across the state of Meghalaya. An effort has been put and we are working on it. So question of misleading the House does not arise. Just for information to the Honourable Member as to why we say that it is functioning. In between April 22 to February 2023, new ANC pregnant women registered in that CHC totals 536. 536 women registered themselves in that CHC, which shows that we are working. Yes, with some constraint because of some unavoidable circumstances, because we are upgrading the quality of the doctors posted in that CHC. Sir, we have also said that there are so many patients now that continuously register in that CHC. So it's a matter of perception. Yes, we may be falling short of certain services, but we are putting all efforts to ensure that that CHC becomes totally functional, sir.
Sir, I beg to disagree with the Honourable Minister that it's a matter of perception. I raised my supplementary question based on her reply in this August House. When we asked about the gynecologist, is there any gynecologist in that PAC? May I know the name? May I know the name of the pediatrician?
Sir, as is the case in several other health facilities across the state of Meghalaya, there is this need to ensure that all of the norms for CHC are adhered to. We have in the CHC 4 medical doctors, and like I said, 2 are out on training and will be back to their services at the earliest. So we've also said that the delivery room with an operational facility, which is the OT, is functional as a first referral unit.